Was that one. Got a yellow theme going on there. And then she also wanted something custom made, so she wanted these colours, I think, to match with the rest of that. Okay, so let's get these in here. So 1, 2, 3. So a satin one, and then 2 cotton ones, and then you've got another cotton one, and you've got a striped one. That's a really pretty collection, actually. That's lovely. Thank you very much, Asma, for ordering these. And then 2 claws. Let me just show you the claw clips. Okay, really strong grip on this one. So a green one, that, and also one of these. Okay, let's pop this on. Pop it on there so you don't lose it. So I'll just pop it on there for you, Asma. Okay, and then your discount code. I will just write you another discount code. Oh, there they are. Okay, so your discount code's on the reverse of this card. When you pop it into checkout, you'll find out what it's worth. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, I'll see you in the next packing video.